As we age, many of us are looking for ways to slow the process and keep looking young. Lucky for us, smoothies are a great way to get the antioxidants and vitamins needed to help keep our skin looking its best. Smoothies are a great way to give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy and happy. But did you know that smoothies can also help slow down the aging process? By blending together the right ingredients, you can create a delicious and nutritious smoothie that packs a powerful punch against aging. In this video, we'll discuss the best ingredients to include in your smoothies to help slow down the aging process. So let's get started. Number 1. Berries. Berries contain powerful antioxidants that help reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and age spots. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries are all excellent sources of antioxidants and can be added to your smoothie for an extra anti-aging boost. These berries are also rich in vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C, A, and E. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which helps to reduce wrinkles and keep skin firm and supple. Vitamin A helps to reduce age spots, while vitamin E helps to protect against sun damage. Adding berries to your smoothie is a great way to get your daily dose of anti-aging nutrients. Just throw in a handful of your favorite berries, add some yogurt, and you're good to go. Berries are a great way to keep your skin looking young and vibrant, so make sure to add them to your smoothie for an extra anti-aging boost. Number 2. Avocados. Avocado is one of the best smoothie ingredients when it comes to slowing down the aging process. It is filled with healthy fats and vitamin E, which help protect the skin from premature aging. Adding a few slices of avocado to your smoothie will help keep your skin looking young and supple. Avocado also contains beneficial minerals and vitamins like potassium, magnesium, iron, and vitamins B and C that help nourish the skin and keep it healthy. Additionally, the healthy fats found in avocado help reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to skin aging. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is a fantastic source of antioxidants, which can help reduce the signs of aging. Drinking green tea regularly can help keep your skin looking and feeling young. So why not add a few tablespoons of green tea to your smoothies? Not only will your smoothie taste great, but you'll get a healthy dose of antioxidants to help fight the signs of aging. Green tea is a natural source of antioxidants, so it's a great way to keep your skin looking and feeling healthy. Plus, it's easy to add to your favorite smoothies for an extra boost of antioxidants. So why not start adding green tea to your smoothies today and reap the benefits of younger-looking skin? Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best ingredients to add to a smoothie to help slow aging. Spinach is full of iron and vitamin A, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and fighting the signs of aging. Additionally, spinach is full of antioxidants that help protect our skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. Adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie is an easy way to get the benefits of these vitamins and antioxidants. Not only will you get the anti-aging benefits of spinach, but you'll also get the added bonus of hydration. Spinach is full of water, which helps keep your skin hydrated and supple. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts are an excellent way to get healthy fats into your diet and slow down the aging process. Whether you're adding them to your smoothie, having them as a snack, or sprinkling them on salads, nuts are a nutritious way to get the essential fatty acids your body needs. Walnuts, almonds, and cashews are all delicious options for adding to your smoothie. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote healthy skin and hair. They're also rich in antioxidants, which can help to fight off free radicals that can cause premature aging. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E and healthy fats, both of which help to protect cells from the damage caused by free radicals. They're also high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling fuller for longer and aid in weight management. Nuts are a great way to get healthy fats into your diet and slow down the aging process. Adding them to your smoothie is an easy and delicious way to get the essential fatty acids your body needs. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Adding Greek yogurt to your smoothie is another easy way to get a dose of protein and beneficial probiotics. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, with around 17 grams per 100 grams, and is also a great source of probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help improve your skin's texture, reduce wrinkles, and fight against skin damage caused by free radicals. When adding Greek yogurt to your smoothie, make sure to choose a plain variety that is not too sweetened. To sweeten your smoothie, you can add a teaspoon of honey or any other natural sweetener. You can also add in some frozen fruit to give it a sweet and flavorful taste. Greek yogurt is a great ingredient to add to your smoothie for a healthy and youthful complexion. It is high in protein and probiotics, which can help to improve the texture of your skin and reduce wrinkles. With just a few tablespoons of Greek yogurt, you can enjoy a nutritious and delicious smoothie that will help keep your skin looking young and healthy. Number 7. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is an excellent source of healthy fats and vitamins that can help reduce signs of aging. Adding a few tablespoons of coconut milk to your smoothie is an easy way to get all the benefits of coconut milk and help keep your skin looking and feeling young. Coconut milk is high in essential fatty acids like lauric acid, which helps keep skin hydrated and smooth. It is also a great source of vitamins A, C, and E, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin A helps to boost skin cell turnover, while vitamins C and E provide protection from harmful UV rays and free radicals. Coconut milk can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It is packed with skin-nourishing minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and potassium, which help keep skin elastic and plump. The fatty acids in coconut milk can help reduce inflammation and irritation and can help heal damaged skin. So if you're looking for a simple way to keep your skin looking and feeling young, try adding a few tablespoons of coconut milk to your smoothie. You'll be giving your skin a healthy dose of nutrients and antioxidants that will help it look and feel younger. Number 8. Beans. Beans are an often overlooked addition to smoothies, yet they are an incredibly powerful ingredient that can provide essential nutrients and health benefits. Studies have shown that people who live in the blue zones, regions of the world known for their long-living populations, eat a minimum of a half cup of beans a day. Beans are packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, folate, and antioxidants that can provide a wealth of health benefits. Beans can also help you feel fuller for longer. The high fiber content of beans helps to slow down digestion, which can help promote steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. Beans are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. So don't be afraid to get creative and add beans to your smoothie. Beans are an incredibly nutritious and versatile ingredient that can provide a wealth of essential nutrients and health benefits. With a little creativity, you can make a delicious and nutritious smoothie that packs a powerful punch of nutrition. Adding these 8 best smoothie ingredients to your daily routine can help to slow down the aging process and keep your skin looking and feeling young. With just a few simple ingredients, you can help protect your skin from the signs of aging and enjoy the benefits of a youthful appearance. Thanks for watching our video on the 8 best smoothie ingredients to help slow aging. Incorporating these ingredients into your daily smoothie routine can help you feel your best and keep your skin looking youthful. Remember to always include natural, nutrient-rich ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in your smoothies. Happy blending!